Perfect.
Joe! Nigga tired of this shit, dog. You know it's hard. You know how hard it is to clad save $1 million out of sign a foreign you can do that now f***ing day, nigga. Fuck out of here. But anyways, we're there still. Yeah, what YouTube channel name?
NaturallyMsToya.
What name?
Yeah, NaturallyMsToya. NaturallyMsToya.
NaturallyMsToya.
NaturallyMsToya.
That's all? Yeah, watch and subscribe to that YouTube channel. Like, you see it come up right there, so you see it? Yeah, right. So subscribe to the YouTube channel. You don't know I'm popping. I'm over here, I want to get the thing popping. You see? Cool.
Okay,
Show me. Go!
Gold popping?
Eh?
Gold or silver?
That person is gold, bro.
So I'm not going to change it. How soon?
Yeah, 3 weeks, yeah, 3.
And the smallest one, that right?
Yes, sir. So do it.
Ouch.
So do it. Quick and easy. Dressing and soft. You prefer tattoo, long and hard. Pun intended. Woo! Dope. Smile for your camera now. On time! Say bang bang.
Bang bang.
Oh. It's a record. I want video. Yo, pop in, I want video. I want video too.
Where you going? Wait for me.
So I go burn that I should reach if it's supposed to wet.
Say good morning. Good morning. Hello. Hello. Marla. Hi. Don't bite your nails. Don't bite your nails.
Ready?
She not trust nobody but you, so she got itch and pie, you know. Bye.
You need to go to your class.
All in a female, I go to the door.
Ready?
Like auntie wipe your nose when you go around, okay? Nose?
Alright,
Bye. Have a good day. Say hi. Hi. Hey boy. So I dropped Marla off at school. I'm there now. I'm there with my assistant. I want to look a bit. I have to pick her up by I think 1:30. So I'm just chilling, burning out some of the days so that I just do one thing when I'm going home. But I always like being here because it's just really chill and mostly quiet because I'm always there at school. That's my baby cousin. Yeah. That's So go on easy in a local environment. It's always really peaceful out here. But want to sleep. Fix yourself. Eat a biscuit. Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys, look at me. I'm literally a sweat. Is this a gray hair? One of many, maybe. I've been having a lot of those lately. Literally I sweat. The place so freaking hot, man. I need to clean these today. They've been hurting a little bit because I keep on hurting them up. I am watching a movie on my phone. I'm watching A Dog's World, some dog. I got a new case today. The one with the pop socket attached to Sydney. Once again, this is a SA Plus. I'll be doing a vlog with this one soon. And I just saw a comment from Dee saying that, you know, she misses me and I haven't uploaded in a while and she hopes that I will upload soon. And I had to smile because I'm just like, girl. But I'm very sleepy. I'm very, very sleepy right now. Yes? Huh? I'll be a this girl there, give me now. Anyways, this is the SA Plus. I will be doing a vlog with this soon just to show you guys the camera quality. This came with another part that I thought that was so cute. Hold on. Marley, pass the thing on the floor here for me. Yes, the pink thing. Aww, you like my pink? Thank you. It came with this attached to it that I thought was so cute. Just like a little handband thing with a little puff ball on it. But yeah, I don't really have much else to show in this vlog. Just really wanted to share my first day of school with you guys. You have the hiccups? I'm very sleepy. I'm very sleepy right now. Extremely sleepy. Really, really tired. Like the sun literally jumped me today because I had to go and get like her supplies that I didn't get initially, and I just dropped them off at the school. She enjoyed her first day apparently. When I went to get her, she was having fun and she was eating and just chatting with her friends and stuff. So tomorrow is Tuesday. Tomorrow she doesn't go. She goes back on Wednesday, and then you know, then it's regular school for the rest of the week. But for the most part, she's liking it. She's loving it. So we're just gonna be here chilling for the rest of the evening. I have 5 minutes left on this camera, on this phone. Oh, you guys know I vlog with my J7. Oh my god, look at my locks, bro. Oh my gosh. I'm thinking about my next install, what I want the color to be. I'm thinking burgundy or something. Guys, I should have been colored my hair a long time ago, but for some reason I'm just afraid because I'm thinking that, you know, that the black is just going to look like really, really, like way more authentic than like colored locks would. Still thinking about it, but believe me, everyone will go people things say my locks in there. Oh jeez, I just hurt it up again. But yeah, I don't know where this vlog is going to end, guys. Probably just like a little bit of chilling, and I don't think I'm going to be doing anything else. This was just to share some of Marla's first day at school, and also by experience getting a tragus piercing. But I don't have anything else to vlog. I do have some very sensitive, oh my god, my time's up.